Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do a super quick rainbow design. And the first things that you're going to need is a rainbow one stroke and a wide flat brush. Normally I use a number 12 brush. And you're just going to want to move the brush up and down the colors of your one stroke. You'll need to use some water obviously to activate the paint, but you don't want it to be too wet. So I'm starting off with the arm design, which is super cute for little kids, or you can also do one on yourself as a cool tattoo or something. And now I'm using a sponge with a lot of tag white on it, and I'm just going to dab that in the little gaps of my rainbow. This is just to put down some color for my clouds. Using the tag white again and a small round brush, I'm just adding some little cloud shapes at the top of my clouds just to give it a bit more definition. If you're not the best painter, you can also use a little cloud stencil if you have one. And now again I'm using my sponge just to fade out some of that line work a bit. Once my clouds are done, I'm just adding a few little extra details like these little white dots and some stars. And of course our rainbow needs sparkles, so I'm using this beautiful bio glitter which is super rainbowy already, and I'm just applying that a little bit onto my rainbow because it's still a little bit wet. So this is really just a 2-minute design. But now I'll show you how to incorporate these one strokes into your makeup as well. So again, I'm starting off with my one stroke and my large flat brush, and you can actually use this as an eyeshadow, so I'm just applying it to my top lid. And now I'm just adding some more rainbows to my face as well, and I just want it to be asymmetrical today. Underneath my eyes, to make them look bigger, I'm putting a bit of tag white. You can use a white eyeliner as well. And I'm just adding some shading underneath that using a black star blend. Using a black tag, I'm now doing a very full-on winged eyeliner. You can also use a black liquid eyeliner, but I'm just using face paint in this for now. And I'm just painting on some fake lashes underneath that white as well. So again, like the arm design, I'm now using my white sponge and I'm adding some clouds to the ends of my rainbows. And then underneath that and underneath my rainbows, I'll also be adding some shading with the star blend. And now of course it's time to add some little white dots and stars. And I wanted the red to stand out in my eyes a little bit more because I'm going to be applying some very blue eyelashes, so I want it to stay super colourful. So I'm just adding some tag red to my eyes. Now I'm just adding a little bit of vaseline to my face, and then of course finishing it off with bio glitter. So again, this is just a super quick design on how to use a rainbow one stroke. I hope you guys learned something today, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you all next time.